Right, that one. A lady came and she wanted to find out. She even thought I worked here. I was actually also supposed to come to support the pop-up myself and make a purchase, but I am so conflicted. I can't make my mind up. I can't narrow down and select like one or two things that I want to purchase. I want so many things and I'm not even sure. I don't know whether to go for like a classic minimal type of piece that is like a classic wardrobe piece, which is a lot of things that I buy, or to do something different for a change and go for something that has like a bold print or bold colors or a bold pattern on it. So conflicted. I might have to leave it till tomorrow after I'm done trying on like more pieces, shooting the content. I feel like it'll be easier for me to be like, yes, this is a look, I want to own this, versus now I'm just trying things on and trying to like narrow down things, but it's being like, it is impossible for me. Bye.
Yeah.
Morning guys, so we're just in the Uber on our way to Selfridges. Today is the day of the content creation. So we're just making our way to start preparing and then we will start shooting the content in what, 1 hour?
Don't be asking me stuff.
In 1 hour, hopefully, fingers crossed. Done. So the changing room, not this one, this one. My mess of a changing room. I love this so much. I have to own it. So yeah, we are owning this look. Look 2 done. To the changing rooms we go. Well, it's messier than before, but I feel like it's going to progressively get messier and messier until it is an absolute tip by the 5th look. Look 3 done. Back to the changing rooms again. Look number 4, mostly in Christie brown. With the corset, the Zashadu again. I love this name. This is not Christie brown. This, everything else is. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much, sister. Which scarf?
So I am currently between looks, just trying to see what works. This is Christie Brown. I'm trying to find a nice bottom for it. I tried it with a pair of black trousers. It didn't work. Now I ideally want to wear it with this. I actually think there's something interesting about this. It's just that skin. So I'm trying to find something to wear as a layer underneath and then change the scarf to the black scarf and then maybe we have something. Maybe.
Kadiju, you are a genius girl. This skirt is everything and more. Any last comments on the skirt? Final look in Kadiju. All done. 5 looks. Woven threads pop up. What is it called? A modest review? Is that what we're calling it? A modest edit. Period. Hello everyone and welcome to the Olusola Woven Threads Modest Edit. My name is Zainab Mohammed. I am the founder of Olusola, which is a modest fashion styling platform and service. The Woven Threads pop-up is brought to you by Lagos Fashion Week here at Selfridges. The pop-up brings together a group of African designers across the continent who are celebrated for their creativity and innovative work with textiles. So we're here at the Woven Threads pop-up. I'm doing a small selection of looks and pieces that I think would work well for the modest fashion woman. So modest fashion can be described as a style of fashion where a person chooses to wear less revealing clothes. This is normally for religious, cultural, or even stylistic purposes. Within the context of, I'd say, African fashion, some of the elements that work really well for modest fashion is particularly the silhouette of the clothes. So a lot of the dresses that you'll find, or a lot of the tops that you'll find have a lot of volume to them. A good example of this would be boo-boos or A-line dresses that you find a lot within fashion that comes from the African continent.